A clean beginning. Why vacuum cleaners matter. Vacuum cleaners are everywhere. They are an essential part of our daily lives, often taken for granted. They're in homes, offices, and schools. These machines help maintain cleanliness and hygiene in various environments. We use them to clean floors, carpets, and even furniture. They make our lives easier by efficiently removing dust, dirt, and allergens. But have you ever stopped to think about how these helpful machines are made? The process behind their creation is both intricate and fascinating. It's a fascinating journey from factory to floor. Each vacuum cleaner undergoes a meticulous assembly process. Raw materials transform into powerful cleaning tools. Metals, plastics, and electronic components come together to create a functional device. Let's take a peek inside a vacuum cleaner factory and see the process in action. From the initial design to the final assembly, every step is crucial. From simple beginnings to the finished product, it's a testament to human ingenuity. The dedication and precision of the workers ensure that each vacuum cleaner meets high standards. So, let's get started and explore the world of vacuum cleaner manufacturing. Discover the technology and craftsmanship that go into making these indispensable household appliances. Building the beast inside a vacuum factory. Our journey begins in a bustling factory. Here, large rolls of plastic and metal sheets arrive. These are the raw materials for our vacuum cleaners. Machines cut and shape these materials with precision. They form the familiar components we recognize: the body, the hose, the nozzle. Each part is carefully crafted to fit perfectly with the others. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle coming together. Motors and fans. The heart of the machine. These components are meticulously crafted to ensure optimal performance. The heart of any vacuum cleaner is its motor. This essential part is what gives the vacuum its power and efficiency. This powerful component creates suction, the force that lifts dirt and debris. Without it, a vacuum cleaner would be just another appliance. Skilled workers assemble the motors with care. Each step in the assembly process is crucial to ensure the motor functions perfectly. They use specialized tools to ensure each part is properly aligned. Precision is key, as even the smallest misalignment can affect performance. Next comes the fan. Attached to the motor, it spins at high speed, creating the airflow needed for suction. The fan's design and speed are critical for generating the necessary airflow. Together, the motor and fan are the driving force behind a clean home. Their seamless operation ensures that every corner of your home is free from dust and debris. Putting it all together, assembly and testing. This is where all the individual components come together to form a complete product. Now the real fun begins. Assembly. This is the heart of the manufacturing process, where precision and teamwork are key. Workers on the assembly line add parts step by step. Each worker has a specific role, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. The body, the motor, the filters, all come together. It's like a well-choreographed dance, with each part fitting perfectly into place. Each component is carefully connected and secured. Wires are connected, screws are tightened, and labels are applied. Attention to detail is crucial at this stage. Finally, the vacuum cleaner is complete. But it's not just about putting the parts together. It's about ensuring everything works seamlessly. But the journey isn't over yet. Quality control is the next critical step. Every single vacuum undergoes rigorous testing. This includes performance tests, durability checks, and safety inspections. This ensures that it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Only after passing these tests is the vacuum cleaner ready for the market, guaranteeing customer satisfaction. Ready to clean. Packaging and shipping. The vacuum cleaners that pass the test are ready for their new homes. They are carefully packaged to protect them during shipping. Boxes are filled with protective foam and cardboard inserts. Instruction manuals and warranty information are included. Finally, the boxes are loaded onto trucks. They are shipped to stores and warehouses worldwide. Soon, they will be helping people keep their homes clean and tidy. Thank you for joining me on this journey behind the scenes of vacuum cleaner manufacturing. It's amazing to see the teamwork, technology, and care that go into making these everyday helpers. Next time you reach for your vacuum, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. AZ Technology thanks you for watching the video. Wishing you happiness and success in life.